Let's explore Ankleshwar. It's a busy town in Gujarat, India, right by the Narmada River. It's known for its industries and is a big part of Gujarat's economy. Ankleshwar has a cool mix of old traditions and modern stuff. It's easy to get to from other parts of India, which is great for businesses. Lots of different people from all over India live and work here, making it a mix of cultures. The Narmada River is super important. It gives water to the factories and farms, and it's also really pretty. Ankleshwar is a big deal for industries in Gujarat. Located in the Bharuch district, this industrial hub has been a cornerstone of Gujarat's economic landscape for decades. Its strategic location, coupled with robust infrastructure, makes it a prime destination for industrial activities. The town is well connected by road and rail, facilitating easy transportation of goods and raw materials. This connectivity is a significant advantage for businesses operating here, allowing them to efficiently manage their supply chains and distribution networks. It has one of the largest industrial areas in Asia. The sheer scale of Ankleshwar's industrial estate is staggering. Spanning over 1,600 hectares, it houses a diverse range of industries, from small-scale units to large multinational corporations. This vast expanse is meticulously planned, with designated zones for different types of industries, ensuring a harmonious and efficient working environment. The estate is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, including power supply, water resources, and waste management systems, which are crucial for the smooth functioning of industrial operations. This area is huge, over 1,600 hectares, and has over 1,500 factories. These factories produce a wide array of products, catering to both domestic and international markets. The diversity of industries here is remarkable, ranging from chemicals and pharmaceuticals to textiles and plastics. Each factory is a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit and industrial prowess of the region. The presence of such a large number of factories also highlights the region's capacity to support large-scale industrial activities, providing ample opportunities for employment and economic growth. It's run by the GIDC, which stands for Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation. The GIDC plays a pivotal role in the development and management of industrial estates across Gujarat. Established with the aim of promoting industrialization in the state, the GIDC provides essential infrastructure and support services to industries. Its efforts have been instrumental in transforming Ankleshwar into a thriving industrial hub. The corporation's proactive approach and commitment to excellence have earned it a reputation as a reliable partner for businesses looking to establish or expand their operations in Gujarat. Businesses from all over India and even other countries come here. Ankleshwar's industrial estate is a melting pot of cultures and ideas, attracting entrepreneurs and investors from around the globe. The presence of international businesses not only boosts the local economy, but also fosters a culture of innovation and collaboration. These global connections open up new avenues for trade and investment, further enhancing the region's economic prospects. The influx of foreign businesses also brings in advanced technologies and best practices, contributing to the overall growth and development of the industrial sector. Ankleshwar has grown a lot in the last few decades, and its industries help Gujarat's economy a lot, giving jobs to many people. The rapid industrialization of Ankleshwar has had a profound impact on the local community. The creation of numerous job opportunities has improved the standard of living for many residents, providing them with stable incomes and better prospects for the future. The industrial growth has also spurred the development of ancillary services and businesses such as logistics, hospitality, and retail, further boosting the local economy. The town's transformation into an industrial powerhouse is a testament to the vision and hard work of its people. They make all sorts of things like chemicals, plastics, medicines, and clothes. The diversity of products manufactured in Ankleshwar is a reflection of the region's versatile industrial capabilities. The chemical industry in particular is a major contributor to the town's economy, with numerous plants producing a wide range of chemicals for various applications. The pharmaceutical sector is another key player, with several factories manufacturing life-saving medicines and healthcare products. The textile and plastic industries also play a significant role, producing high-quality goods that are in demand both domestically and internationally. Big companies like Reliance Industries and GAIL India are here too, making Ankleshwar important for India's economy. The presence of these industry giants underscores the strategic importance of Ankleshwar as an industrial hub. Reliance Industries, one of India's largest conglomerates, has a significant presence here, contributing to the town's economic dynamism. GAIL India, a leading natural gas company, also operates in Ankleshwar, further enhancing its industrial profile. The success of these major companies serves as an inspiration for other businesses, encouraging them to invest in the region and contribute to its ongoing growth and development. Ankleshwar, located in the Bharuch district of Gujarat, India, is renowned as a top spot for the production of chemicals and plastics. This industrial town has carved a niche for itself in the chemical and petrochemical industry, making it a significant player not just in India but on the global stage as well. The town is home to a multitude of chemical plants and refineries that produce a wide array of chemical products. These facilities are equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and technology, ensuring high-quality production standards. The chemicals and petrochemicals produced here are supplied to various industries across India and exported to numerous countries around the world. But what makes Ankleshwar so proficient in this industry? The answer lies in a combination of factors that create an ideal environment for chemical manufacturing. Firstly, the availability of raw materials is a crucial factor. Ankleshwar is strategically located near sources of essential raw materials, making it easier and more cost-effective to procure the necessary inputs for chemical production. Additionally, the town boasts a skilled workforce that is well-versed in the intricacies of chemical manufacturing. These workers are trained to handle complex machinery and processes, ensuring efficient and safe production. Another significant advantage is the proximity to the Hazara port. This port is a major gateway for the export of goods, allowing Ankleshwar's chemical products to reach international markets with ease. The efficient logistics and transportation infrastructure further enhance the town's ability to ship products quickly and reliably. In addition to chemicals, Ankleshwar has a thriving plastic manufacturing industry. Factories in the town produce a variety of plastic products, including plastic bags, synthetic fabrics, and fertilizers. These products are essential for various sectors, from agriculture to textiles, and contribute significantly to the local economy. The industrial activities in Ankleshwar have had a profound impact on the local economy. The growth of the chemical and plastic industries has created numerous job opportunities for the residents, leading to increased employment and improved living standards. The town has seen significant economic development, with new businesses and services emerging to support the growing industrial sector. This economic prosperity has transformed Ankleshwar into a bustling hub of activity, attracting investments and fostering a vibrant community. Ankleshwar is also becoming a big place for making medicine. Lots of companies here make all kinds of drugs. They sell these medicines in India and to other countries. Ankleshwar is good at this because it has skilled workers. It's easy to get the ingredients for medicine, and the government helps out. Being close to ports makes it easy to ship the medicines. The companies here make high-quality medicine, following all the rules. This industry is important for India's economy, creating jobs and bringing in money. Ankleshwar might become one of the most important places in the world for making medicine. Ankleshwar has a long and interesting history and culture. This town, located in the Bharuch district of Gujarat, India, has been a significant place for centuries. Its name is derived from the ancient temple of Lord Shiva, known as Ankleshwar Mahadev, which stands as a testament to its rich spiritual heritage. The town's history is intertwined with various dynasties and rulers who have left their mark on its cultural landscape. Different kings and queens ruled it over the years. From the Maurya and Gupta empires to the Chalukyas and the Mughals, each era brought its own unique influence. These rulers not only contributed to the political landscape, but also enriched the cultural and architectural heritage of Ankleshwar. The town's strategic location made it a hub for trade and commerce, further enhancing its historical significance. Its history goes way back, and you can even find Ankleshwar mentioned in old Hindu stories. Ancient texts and manuscripts refer to Ankleshwar as a place of great religious importance. The town is believed to have been a center for learning and spirituality, attracting scholars and devotees from far and wide. The inscriptions on the temples and the manuscripts provide a glimpse into the town's glorious past. The Sri Ankleshwar Mahadev temple is a very important place here. This temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is one of the oldest and most revered shrines in the region. It is believed that the temple was established by the Pandavas during their exile, adding a mythical dimension to its history. The temple's architecture reflects the craftsmanship of ancient times with intricate carvings and sculptures adorning its walls. It's for Lord Shiva, and people come from all over to visit it. Devotees from different parts of the country visit the temple to seek blessings and offer prayers. The temple is especially crowded during the festival of Mahashivaratri, when thousands of pilgrims gather to celebrate the occasion. The spiritual ambience of the temple and the devotion of the people create a serene and uplifting atmosphere. The temple is beautiful and shows how people built things a long time ago. The architectural details of the temple are a testament to the skill and artistry of the craftsmen of that era. The carvings depict various mythological scenes and deities, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the region. The temple's design also reflects the traditional Dravidian style of architecture, which was prevalent during that period. Ankleshwar also has other temples and old buildings that tell us about its past. The town is dotted with numerous temples, each with its own unique history and significance. These temples, along with other historical buildings, provide a window into the town's past. The architectural styles of these structures vary, reflecting the different periods and influences that have shaped Ankleshwar over the centuries. The people here are proud of their history and celebrate lots of festivals showing off their exciting culture. Festivals like Navratri, Diwali and Holi are celebrated with great enthusiasm and fervor. These celebrations are a reflection of the town's vibrant culture and the strong sense of community among its people. The traditional music, dance and rituals associated with these festivals add to the cultural richness of Ankleshwar. They are also very welcoming and friendly. The people of Ankleshwar are known for their hospitality and warmth. Visitors to the town are often struck by the friendliness and generosity of the locals. This welcoming nature is a reflection of the town's cultural values and traditions, which emphasize respect and kindness towards others. Whether you are a pilgrim, a tourist, or a scholar, Ankleshwar offers a rich and rewarding experience that leaves a lasting impression. Ankleshwar has great roads, trains and ports, which is good for businesses. A big highway, National Highway 48, goes through Ankleshwar, connecting it to big cities like Mumbai and Delhi. The train station is good too, connecting Ankleshwar to other places in Gujarat and India. The Hazira port is close by, making it easy to bring in things needed for factories and send out finished products. This is great for trading with other countries. Ankleshwar also has good phone and internet service, which is important for businesses and everyone who lives there. All these things have helped Ankleshwar become a big industrial center. Like many industrial towns, Ankleshwar has some problems with pollution in the air and water, but people are working to fix this. The GPCB, or Gujarat Pollution Control Board, checks how much pollution there is and makes sure factories follow the rules to protect the environment. Many factories are using cleaner ways to make things and are buying equipment to reduce pollution. People are starting to care more about the environment. There are projects to plant trees and teach people about being eco-friendly. They want to make Ankleshwar a cleaner and greener place. Ankleshwar has good schools and hospitals. It has many schools, colleges and technical schools where people can learn. Because education is important here, more people in Ankleshwar can read and write compared to other parts of India. Ankleshwar also has good hospitals and clinics that take care of people. Having good schools and hospitals makes Ankleshwar a good place to live. Ankleshwar has a bright future because of its industries and location. It's growing and getting new businesses. The government is also helping by building more industrial areas and making roads and other things better. Ankleshwar will become even more important for India's economy. It's a town that never gives up and keeps getting better. It has faced challenges but has become a big industrial center. Ankleshwar is ready for a great future.